So the first step is to come to nearpod.com/LMS-integration. Once you are here, you will see a page that looks like this. Down here, it says generate consumer key plus shared secret. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And here is my consumer key and my shared secret. I'm going to go ahead and leave this open and pull up a new tab with Schoology, and we'll go from there. So here's my home page in Schoology. To get to the App Center, we come up here and click on these 4 boxes, and then click on App Center. Once you're in the App Center, you can come down here and find Nearpod. Come over here to Install LTI App, click I agree, and click Add to School. We're going to come down here to Nearpod and come over here to Configure. So you'll notice that we have a spot for our consumer key and our shared secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to my tab, my consumer key. I'm going to hit copy, come back over to Schoology and hit paste. Then I need to get my shared secret and copy, come back over here and hit paste, and then save settings. You should have a green box that says you've successfully configured Nearpod. So now, if we come back over to courses, I'm going to go into my test classroom. And when I scroll down, I see Nearpod right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Nearpod, and it's going to pop up and give me access to the full Nearpod site. So from here, I would log in just like normal. So I say log in with Office 365. And now here I am within the Schoology site using Nearpod. So if I want to launch a lesson from here, all I have to do is come over here to either live lesson or student paste. So we're going to come over here and click on live lesson and launch new live lesson. And now when my students go in, they'll be able to see this. From a student perspective, they should see the page that looks like this. And so as we go through, they'll be able to draw just like they would on the normal Schoology site. Go through any of the activities and use Nearpod as they normally would. To integrate Nearpod with Google Classroom, we find the lesson that we want. We say launch new live lesson or new student-paced lesson. And when it comes up with the class code, we should have an option to post it into Google Classroom. If you click that and you're logged into Google Classroom, it should come up with Share to Classroom. You can choose a class to share it to. You can choose the kind of action you want to make it as well. So you have the options of create assignment, ask questions, make an announcement, or create material. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use make an announcement. Hit post. If you would like to go in and view your assignment, you click view. Other integrations with Google include making a lesson directly from Google Slides. So to do that, you come over here to lesson in Google Slides. Now once we are on Google Slides, we need to go through a couple of steps in order to make it so we can use Nearpod with it. So we're going to go to add-ons first. So to go to add-ons, we come right here, and then it says Nearpod, and we want to go ahead and install. Once you have opened up the add-ons, we come down here and we click install. Hit continue. And make sure that you are signed in as yourself with your D11 email address. And we just come down here and click allow. You should have a pop-up like this that says Nearpod has been installed. So within Google Slides, you would come over here to add-ons and say open Nearpod. From here, you can add Nearpod activities directly into your Google Slides.